Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download SAP Business Application Studio for cloud development, complete guide step by step clearly. To download SAP Business Application Studio for cloud development, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official SAP website. In the search bar, enter SAP Business Application Studio. Press enter to view the search results. Click on the link that leads to the SAP Business Application Studio page. Once on the page, locate the Get Started or Try Now button. Click on this button to proceed. You will be prompted to sign in to your SAP account. If you do not have an account, select the option to create a new one. Fill in the required details to set up your account. After creating your account, return to the SAP Business Application Studio page. Sign in using your newly created credentials. Once signed in, look for options to start a trial or access the service. Follow any on-screen instructions to initiate the setup. You may need to choose your desired cloud environment. Select the appropriate environment that suits your development needs. Proceed to confirm your selections. The system will prepare your cloud environment. This process may take a few moments. Once preparation is complete, you will see a confirmation message. At this point, you should have access to SAP Business Application Studio in your cloud environment. Launch the application from the portal. Now you are ready to start developing with SAP Business Application Studio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.